Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to our English class. Dear students, today I am here with English Gulmoha book of Standard 4. Question answers of Chapter 7, The Television Chocolate Room, which is an excerpt from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, authored by Roald Dahl. So let us first of all take a few opposite words from the chapter. The first word is dash and its opposite will be dawdle. The second word is shrink. Its opposite is expand. The third word is vague. The opposite to it will be clear. The fourth one is flicker. Its opposite is steady. And the fifth word, bare. Its opposite is covered. Now let's take understanding the text. Answer these questions. Exercise A. Question number 1. Why did Mr. Wonka hand black glasses to the visitors? The answer is Mr. Wonka handed black glasses to the visitors because the room was very bright and the light could blind them. Question number 2. Describe the room that the visitors entered. What was the name of the room? The answer is the visitors entered the testing room, which was very long and narrow, with white walls and floor. It was completely empty except at the far ends where an enormous camera was on the wheels and an army of Oompa Loompas was working. Let's take up question number 3. What were the Oompa Loompas doing in the room? What did Charlie think when they spotted them? The answer is the Oompa Loompas were oiling the joints of the camera and cleaning its lens in complete silence. At the other end, another Oompa Loompa was sitting at a black table, gazing at a very large television screen. Charlie had an uncertain sense of danger when he spotted them. Now let's take up the fourth question. It is an extract. I shall now tell you how an ordinary television works, he continued. The question is, why did Mr. Wonka need to explain this? The answer is, Mr. Wonka needed to explain this because his new invention, television chocolate, was based on the theory of an ordinary television working. Question B. Did Mr. Wonka himself like television? How do we know? The answer is no. Mr. Wonka did not like television. We come to know this by his statement, I don't like television myself, but I know that children seem to watch it all day. Question number 5 is again based on the extract. Immediately, 6 Oompa Loompas marched forward, carrying the most enormous bar of chocolate Charlie had ever seen. Question A. Why were the Oompa Loompas carrying the chocolate? The answer is the Oompa Loompas were carrying the chocolate because Mr. Wonka had ordered them to bring it. Question B. Why was it enormous? The answer is it was enormous because it was going to be sent by television. And whenever something is sent by television, it shrinks in size. Now, The sixth and the last question of exercise A, answer these questions. Why did Mr. Wonka warn Mike TV to stand back? Why did he not warn the Oompa Loompas? The answer is Mr. Wonka warned Mike TV to stand back because he was standing very close to the camera and the rays coming out of it could break him into a million tiny pieces in 1 second. He did not warn the Oompa Loompas because they were wearing space suits which protected them from the rays. So, dear students, these were the question answers of exercise A. Answer these questions from Understanding the Text, Chapter 7. See you again with the question answers of the next chapter in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and goodbye.